Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to know about a crucial topic, which is container orchestration, which is very important for you to learn if you are trying to take preparation for KCN exam, whose full form is Kubernetes and Cloud Native Associate Exam. So, to know about it, today we'll show you how container orchestration brings efficiency, reliability, and scalability to your application. Let's imagine a scenario where you have dozens of hundreds of containers running various part of your application. As you can see in the slide, I have shown you an image. There are few containers they are given for the visualization of our scenario. So how do you manage them and how do you ensure them they are deployed correctly? So we have to scale them according to their demand and make them remain available and resistant to failure. So this is what container orchestration does. So the container orchestration is the automated management of containers, so or containerized application. So it handles the deployment, scaling, networking, and availability of the containers and making it simple for us to manage at a scale. So the beauty of container orchestration is that you do not have to uh, get into the complex process of the whole deployment. It does the thing for you. So its ability to streamline complex deployment and turning what used to be a manual and a very hectic process into smooth operated operation. So there are several platforms that facilitated container orchestration, which has its own functionality. Let's begin with the most popular one, which is Kubernetes, which is the powerhouse of open source, which is associated with Google. So has a very popular fan base because has a vibrant community and extensive feature set. So it is known for its flexibility and a good community in the space in the virtual wave. And to begin with the next one, we have Docker Swarm, which is designed for simplicity and ease of use. So it is deeply connected with the Docker system. So it is very known for its clustering and straightforward approaches and related to Docker containers. So moving on to the next one, we have Apache Meso. So which is mostly used for data centers because they have a large scale deployment and they can handle it efficiently. And running a container in a big data service like Google or any other uh, similar platform like what can I say, Hados. If Hados, no, sorry, it is Hadoop. So you will see that they are using this technology. And moving on to the last one, which is Amazon EKS, which is a managed container orchestration service provided by AWS Cloud. So which has its AWS services, and someone who is familiar with AWS cloud functionality, they can easily operate this one. So this was for the most popular orchestration tools. And moving on to the managed Kubernetes services such as Amazon AKS and Azure Kubernetes service, which is AKS, which is the short form of it. And the third one is Google Kubernetes Engine, which provide a easier path to deploying Kubernetes. So handling much of the cluster management is a good overhead for you. So it's not just knowing about Kubernetes or any other platform. It's about understanding how this technology or how these tools solve the problem. So why this whole container orchestration is needed? So to ensure that our automated deployment is working and scaling the operation, and as it enhances the reliability by ensuring application and is remains available even if one of the individual container fails or is discarded. And moreover, we can see that it improves scalability by allowing application to grow seamlessly with demand. And let's say we are working with a project that requires deploying a micro service architecture, or not only Kubernetes make it possible, it also does it, um, solves it and manages it in a way so that it doesn't become overwhelming for you. So it turns the whole manual and time consuming and messy process into an automated and a manageable process, so you can keep tracks of what is happening and what technologies are being used in the architecture. So that is the role of the container orchestration or Kubernetes in modern application, as they provide a seamless experience for all users, for from end to internal users. So we understand that deploying a small or a large scale application can be a hassle, but if you know what its purpose and how to manage it, you can simply use it for fun and you can make your life and others life easier. So that was the whole thing about container orchestration. So we learned about that today, and we will know more about what is Kubernetes in our next video. So let's stay focused for that. So I'm thankful that you guys stayed